Hello everyone, in our tutorial today, I am going to show you how to get space in display name on Roblox. So first, what you want to do is simply go to any web browser and then look for this VPN. This is what we call WinScribe. You can download it to your desktop or device, or you can also just simply add it to your Google Chrome extension. So all you have to do is to click this add to Chrome, add extension, and then wait as it is processing. Then you will see it right here. And all you have to do is to connect to this free locations or regions right here. Okay. So let me pin this one and then click the logo and then get started. So I need to create an account first. And then once I created an account, then I can go back and then connect to any of the regions or locations right here. Okay, so let me connect to US. Once done, you can now go back to your Roblox and then sign up for your new account. Okay, so here you really need to sign up for a new account, or you can also try to change your birthday, specifically your year, and try till you change or you can add space to your name. So as you can see here, I have created an account and I tried the year 1980, created a username, password, strong password, and then after that, select the gender, even though it's optional here. But let me tap my gender and then click sign up. And then after that, go to settings, click this pencil icon here, and try to change or add space to my name. Okay. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to do that. So I have to create and sign up, select or choose other year of birth, and then, change username and then go to settings and then tap this pencil icon and then try to add space, but unfortunately wasn't able till I found the exact date that can help you add space to your name, which is 2004. Okay, so you just have to simply change it to 2004, click sign up, go to your settings, go to this pencil icon right here, and then add space to your name. Okay, and then you will see that there is a big result. And as you can see here, it is saved successfully. Okay, so if you refresh this one, then you will see that your name has a space already. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.